Hello friends, welcome to SDT Abhijit. In today's session, we are covering the topic which is how to become a automation tester and the whole syllabus to required to become a professional automation tester. So let's get started. So friends, first topic you need to know the software development life cycle, which is SDLC. This is a life cycle on the basis of which the whole software testing and development company works. So there are multiple models in SDLC like waterfall model, agile model, scrum model or prototype model and etc. So you need to learn all the SDLC model to become an automation tester. And next is type of testing. So there are different types of testing like unit testing, integration testing, system testing, GUI testing, load testing, stress testing, regression testing, functional testing, smoke, sanity, and these are the testing which are you need to know. So move towards next, that is test case writing. So the tester, the automation tester or a manual tester, both are need to master in writing test cases. So there are multiple test case types, that is positive test case, negative test case, UI test case, usability test case, field validation, functional test case, then bug tracking. So the work of a tester is to trap a bug. So there is a tool which is Jira. By using the tool Jira, you need to assign the bug to your test manager. Now moving towards programming language, there are multiple programming language which supports the tools like Selenium to do automation testing. Now we are taking it. If you want to learn Java, so you need to learn all the concept like basic and core functions in Java. So you need to learn basic Java and the basic Java programs, loops, conditional statement, data types and other like Java keywords, comments and variables in Java. Then move towards core Java. You have strong command on OOPS concept which contains four pillars of Java like encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction and inheritance. Then constructor, interface, lambda function, scanner class you need to learn in core Java. Then there is a tool for testing in automation testing which is known as Selenium. It is an open source free automation testing tool which is used worldwide to writing test scripts for automation testing. So in Selenium you need to learn creating Selenium program, then you need to learn HTML language, then locators to find the location of the web element which is present in your application, then exception handling, errors collection, it is a framework, then thread, maven project, WebDriver architecture, weights in Selenium, then multiple keywords in Selenium, frames, window handling. These are the topic you need to learn in Selenium. Then this is the most important topic in writing test scripts in Selenium, which is a framework. You need to do your testing, automation testing in framework only. So there is a TestNG framework which contains page object model, property files, Excel files, parallel testing and TestNG assertions, and then GitHub. It is a version control tool for updating our daily work to our repository. So this is a syllabus to become a successful automation tester, and there is a tools which you need to learn to become a automation tester. Hope you will understand the syllabus for automation testing. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.